How to invest in real estate with as little as $5 without owning or buying any real estate. That is the topic for today. Welcome back to InvestInU, your channel for personal and financial growth. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to do that starting right now. And that's right. As you heard, in today's video, you're going to learn about real estate investing with as little as $5. And to add icing on the cake, you'll get to do that without worrying about the hassles of any house flipping, rent collections, or even an eviction. Sounds interesting, right? If you agree, let's dive in. So today, we'll cover two types of investments. The first one is REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. So how do REITs work? Well, it's very simple and easy. REITs are companies that own and manage a portfolio of real estate and mortgages. They issue debt or equity investments as shares, and you, as an investor, can go ahead and buy them and can sometimes earn dividends. This sounds very similar to stocks, but they're not. REITs are not registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC for short, and you can buy them through brokerage accounts such as Vanguard, Robinhood, or Charles Schwab. And if you don't know what a brokerage account is, there's a link to another video down below explaining you what they are and how you can actually open one. Now, there are multiple types of REITs you can invest with as little as $5. And if you're unsure which ones are available out there, you can just simply type list of REIT, and you're going to see a list online taking you to Wikipedia with a list of all kinds of REITs available under this wonderful screen right here. And as you can see, you can find all kinds of REITs available by industry type. Some of them are under the industry, the industrial, meaning the manufacturing investments. You can find some of them under the office, some of them are under the regional malls category, shopping centers, tenants, apartments, and so on. I know I mentioned that you can start investing with as little as $5. So for example, Worth is one of those $5 REITs that you can see here. And then when you click on that link, you can actually find what they stand for. And as of today, they're currently trading for $4.83, and you can even see the historical prices right here. Another one that you can trade for less than $5 can be found in this list. Actually one a little bit above. It's called Farmland. I was just checking it out not so long ago. It's a little bit above 5. Sorry, I didn't mean to take you to what they mean. You can just click on this link right here. So as little as $5, some of them can be a little bit above. For example, this one, Farmland Partners are trading for $6.72, and then you can get to see how their historical performance is like. So $5 is a good start, but you can actually go a little higher. For example, one right here is called Omega Healthcare Investors. These goes for $30, and so it all depends on what you're actually comfortable with, but I just wanted to give you guys the option to actually look it up here, and then you get to see what each of them are available for you out there. If you need a little help with deciding, there's a link down below to another video that shows you how to do the proper research so you can select the right investment for you. And by investment, I mean anything that can range from a stock, from a REIT, from a bond, and so on. Now, the second type of investment I have for you is through Fundrise. So what is Fundrise? Well, this is an online investment platform where different real estate investments are pulled or put together and made available for investors like you and me. You can be someone who has the money but not the time, or someone who has the time but not the money. So Fundrise offers the chance to find the right investment for us in a one-stop shop without worrying about any accreditation requirements or high investment minimums. All you need is a minimum of $500 and you're good to go. And if you're feeling a little fancier, you can actually go ahead and see some of their advanced plans, right? You can see something in the category of a supplemental income, which means a type of investment that can just provide you additional income currently besides to what you have coming your way, say from a job or from some side gig. This could be another portfolio that can provide you that supplemental or that additional income that you're seeking for. Although according to what we see as of today, we're in August 2018, this portfolio is actually reaching its annual sales limit of 50 million. So you might want to check in from time to time to see if they actually reopen that portfolio or not. You also have something that can give you some sort of like a balance investing, right? Where you can actually build money as you go. And I will say this is more of like a middle ground portfolio where you can earn dividends. You can allow for appreciation if you're in your portfolio. For those that don't know what appreciation means, it just simply means your real estate value increasing its value over time. Depreciation obviously means when it goes down in value. And then so it seems like this is a more balanced, as the title will say, and it will give you returns via a blend of a little bit of everything in here. As you can see, you have 40% in debt, 40% in equity. So it's pretty balanced. And it even shows you the level of popularity that this rank among their investors. And just to give you a sense of how much they can range for, like you can start off with being 18 years old, and it seems to be the most popular people between the 30s and 40s, and the average investment is $8,000. It doesn't mean you have to invest $8,000 in it, but hey, $8,000 compared to a $100,000 house, like this is actually a pretty affordable option for you. And you also have what they call the long-term growth. I will think this is more of a portfolio type of investment towards your retirement, because it means you're just simply not going to get the payout right away. It's just you're going to have to ride the ups and downs on the real estate market until you're ready to actually take that money down. It is 30% popular. The ranking of popularity is it's between the 37%, and to these numbers, as you can see, it is very popular amongst the people who are of younger age, because it just simply it gives you sufficient time for the value to continue to grow over time. And again, the average investment is somewhat between $9,000, which is not so bad if you compare it to a $100,000 house or a $500,000 house, and so on. So this is what I have for you today. And I hope you found this information very valuable. And if you did, please share the love by sharing the video with someone you think will find this information helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. Now, go and make some money without worrying about any of the intense manual labor, flipping houses, or rent collections, or even difficult tenants. And until then, we'll see you soon. Ciao.